If you'd like to know how I got this mullet, aka 90-degree haircut, stay tuned.
I don't care if you don't care about me. I will care about you, 'cause we all gotta make it through this shit. I don't care if you don't care about me. I will care about you, 'cause we all gotta make through all of this.
What's up, candy babes? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tammy X of the Rebellion here, and I'm here today to show you guys how to do a 90-degree haircut on a wig. So this is one of my K through 12 wigs from my collection. She has bangs, and I colored her about a year ago, and I saw that Melanie had updated her haircut, so I'm like, okay, it's time to go. It's time to get this mullet. I think it's cute, so I'm like, why the hell not? So that's everything that you're gonna need, and we're first gonna begin with cutting a guide to your haircut. You wanna make sure you know how long you want it to be and go ahead and cut that one length all over. You want to make sure that you have a guide throughout this haircut. That way you always know that you're not cutting over it or you're cutting under your guide. So for instance, it basically just gives you a base for the haircut and adding to its layers. So next you're going to go ahead and start doing your 90-degree layers. And when I say 90 degrees, it means the elevation of the hair. So you're gonna elevate the hair like this, 90 degrees into the air, and cut. So you're gonna do that all over. And what I learned in cosmetology school is once you grip the hair and hair falls from the bottom, just let it fall like that. Don't try to go adding it to it, and you're just gonna keep cutting up. So I guess this technically is 45 degree to 60 degree to, like, you're building up to 90 degrees because you want different types of layers throughout your hair. So also basically throughout this whole haircut you're going to be taking mohawk sections. However, I've been cutting for years now and I don't really do that. I make sure I follow my guide. However, I don't go up and down with my sectioning. I kind of just go around the circumference of the head because I'm just so used to it now. I pretty much know what I'm doing. But if you're a beginner and you're preparing for like state board or something like that, you just want to make sure that you follow the mohawk sections so you're ensuring that you're doing everything correctly. So I will always cross check my work. I shake out my layers and I go to my front 2 layers and make sure that they're both not really even, but you know, somewhat to a degree. And then I go ahead with this front section, connect it to the back layers. So you want to keep that piece long, because if you notice at the beginning of the haircut, it starts to get very face framey in the front. So you want to make sure you keep that piece in the front long so you can connect your piece to the back.